Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert text to table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs tab. Then go to the Insert menu and go to the Table, Insert Table. Select the all table and go to your text name. Select the text and paste the text. Now change the table of border color, then select the all table, go to the border color and change the border color. I am change border white. Here we can see convert text to table on Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.